Welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone, your go-to channel for everything related to diabetes management and a healthy lifestyle. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the link between diabetes and heart health. Stick around to learn how these two conditions are connected and what you can do to protect your heart. Hi everyone, today we're going to explore how diabetes can impact your heart health. Let's start with the basics. Diabetes is a condition where your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use it effectively. Insulin is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. High blood sugar over time can damage blood vessels and the nerves that control your heart. Did you know that people with diabetes are up to 4 times more likely to develop heart disease than those without? This is because high blood sugar can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Plaque buildup, also known as atherosclerosis, narrows the arteries and restricts blood flow to the heart and other organs. Over time, this can lead to serious complications like heart attacks and strokes. The good news is there are ways to manage your diabetes and reduce your risk of heart disease. Let's talk about some lifestyle changes and medical treatments that can make a big difference. Number 1. Healthy eating. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Number 2. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Walking, swimming, and cycling are great options. Number 3. Regular checkups. Keep up with your medical appointments and monitor your blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Number 4. Medications. Take medications as prescribed by your doctor to manage blood sugar levels and other risk factors. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can significantly improve your heart health. Even simple activities like walking or yoga can make a big difference. It's also important to manage stress, get enough sleep, and avoid smoking. All these factors play a role in maintaining both your heart and overall health. Chronic stress and lack of sleep can raise blood pressure and lead to unhealthy habits like overeating or smoking, which further increase the risk of heart disease. So remember, managing diabetes isn't just about controlling blood sugar, it's about taking care of your whole body, especially your heart. By making healthy lifestyle choices and following your treatment plan, you could significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthy life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.